Hello friends, hope you are all fine and doing well. We are into the discussion of a book, The 12 Rules for Life, An Antidote to Chaos by Jordan Peterson. We have already discussed 6 rules from this book. The links of these videos are given in the description below. All the chapters, all the rules which are in this book are so very profound, dense, and are deeply insightful. We often hear advices like live in the moment and the time is now. These are wise words, and being mindful of the present is an excellent way to live our life. However, getting everything what we want, and that also whenever we want, is not always necessarily good for us. Impulsive choices and instant gratification makes us complacent and lazy. In Rule 7 from this book, 12 Rules for Life, Jordan Peterson has given heavy biblical references explaining that life is suffering and we fall into the trap of doing things which give us immediate pleasure, things that are tempting and impulsive. But this may not be the best approach towards life. In this rule, we will discuss as to why immediate gratification holds us back from achieving what we want to achieve, and what we can do to overcome impulsive behavior and short-term pleasures. So let's discuss Rule 7. Pursue what is meaningful and not what is expedient. Expedience is the following of blind impulse. It's short-term gain. It's narrow and selfish. It takes nothing into account. It's immature and irresponsible. But meaning is the mature replacement. Meaning emerges when impulses are regulated, organized, and unified. We know what we need to do to reach to our goals, but we still aren't doing it. We are checking our mails 50 times a day. We are checking our WhatsApp numerous numbers of times. And we are browsing the web without any particular purpose. We are watching TV or a movie, or playing video games, or chatting with our friends. We are doing any of these dozens of things to avoid constructive effort. We do this because these activities are more enjoyable than work, even though we know that these activities are big time wasters. They give temporary pleasure and take away our quality time, which could have been used to make progress towards our goal. It's easy to waste time, to succumb to temptation, and nothing really constructive comes out from these activities. Wasting time is addictive. The more you do it, the more excuses you make so you can keep doing it. We become so habituated to wasting time, to passing the day, that we forget that it has become our conscious choice to waste time. The skill that we need to master is the ability to delay gratification. This means resisting short-term pleasure in favor of long-term goals. If you can't resist short-term pleasure, you won't do the work that needs to get done. It is not easy. Most of us are stuck in bad habits that we don't even recognize. You need to think about what you really want. And in order to pursue your biggest dreams, you need to sacrifice many of your temporary satisfaction. From this point forward, make a concerted effort to delay gratification and work towards long-term goals. It will be less comfortable, but knowing that you are doing everything you should be doing to succeed will easily outweigh the sacrifice. In 12 Rules for Life, Rule 7, pursue what is meaningful, not what is expedient. All it says is that you should stop doing what you know you should not be doing it, and do what you know will provide a meaning to your life. So here we complete the Rule 7. Pursue what is meaningful, not what is expedient. Thank you.